my name is Andrea Stone, and welcome to Schlegel Design and Remodel's series on elements of bathroom design. In episode 1, Leslie Hatfield discussed establishing the layout of a bathroom. In this episode, we're addressing how to select the perfect combination of a vanity and countertop for your bathroom remodel. In a bathroom, we have multiple types of vanities. We have your more traditional built-in style, where the cabinetry is closed in and is built into the floor. We also have more of a freestanding style vanity, which will allow your beautiful towel to just run right under the vanity, and it makes your bathroom feel more open and spacious. And we also have floating style vanities. Floating style vanities are wall hung, and they're also usually a little bit more contemporary or modern. Here at Schlegel Design Remodel, we have a plethora of cabinet door styles to choose from. But here we have 4 very different door styles that I want to point out to you. The first one here is a modified shaker door style. It has a wide rail with a unique detail here on the inside of the frame. This next door style is a little bit more modern. This one here is becoming very popular in the Midwest area. This one here is a white oak wood species. And this one here has a narrow rail here, as opposed to the first one had a much wider rail. This next door style that I want to show you, the wood species on this one is walnut. Walnut is a very durable wood species. It's a hard species, and it's also a very beautiful wood. Another finish that we tend to use a lot on walnut is natural. Natural walnut would actually show you a lot of that natural wood grain, but this is also a very beautiful door as well. And the last door that I want to show you is a very popular door style. This one is called the Metropolitan door style, or you could call it the Metro door style. One of the reasons why this is so popular is that this is a slab door style, so there's no detail on the door. Another great thing that I like to focus on in bathrooms is organization, by utilizing different interior components for your cabinetry to give you maximum storage. 3 things to consider that will mostly affect your budget would be the wood species that you select, the cabinet construction, and then also the cabinet door style. In order to discuss countertops, we visited one of our favorite showrooms located at Central Services. After a welcome tour of their warehouse and production floor, we explored all of the materials available to clients when shopping for a bathroom remodel. Quartz is a great option for a bathroom. It's heat resistant, scratch resistant, stain resistant, mold and mildew resistant. It's essentially maintenance free. This particular material here is a porcelain material. One of the great things about the porcelain is that it can be used on countertops and then also shower walls and fireplaces. Here we have 3 natural stones. The first one that I want to talk about is a Carrara white marble. Marble is a very soft stone, and it is subject to some staining and then also some scratching. Marble is not the best choice for a bathroom. Next, we have a granite countertop. Granite is a great option for a bathroom. Granite is a very hard surface. One of the things that makes granite so popular is that it does have a wide range of color, veining, and then also variation in the movement of the stone. The last countertop surface that I want to talk about is a quartzite. Quartzite is also a natural stone. However, this particular one here is going to be a lot stronger than all of the other materials. All 3 natural stones will need to be sealed. I would say seal it about once a year, and the sealer will help the stones hold up from any staining, mold, and bacteria. When selecting your countertops, you will also need to select your edge profile. We have an array of edge options to choose from. Some are a little bit more elaborate than others, like this triple OG, and then we have the standard OG. However, the most popular and my favorite is the each edge profile. So for a little bit of fun, let's select some countertop materials. Here I have the Inverness Platinum by Cambria. I selected this particular countertop because it does have some mild veining in it. It also has some of the darker undertone veining, which matches well with this particular cabinetry color. Next, I selected this countertop because it has a bold pattern in it, which pairs well with a more monochromatic style door, and then also a door that's a little bit more on the modern side. So to give you a little bit more variation in your countertop and a little bit more movement and more of that wow factor, I went bold on the countertop on this one. For this particular countertop surface, I selected this countertop because the cabinetry on this one is the showpiece. So I went with something that's a little bit more milder in taste, but it's still giving you variation in the countertop and pulling out two really nice colors, the gray and then also some of the gold in the countertop. And lastly, I selected a granite for this one, which has a texture finish on it, which pairs well with the modern sleek door. So we've covered layout, vanities, and countertops, and next we're covering plumbing fixtures.